H&N Craft.
Hello friends, welcome back to H&N Crafts. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to make this stepper box, which is very useful as I keep my jewelry in it. You can keep anything you want in it. So let's move on to how to make it. guys, our craft is ready. Our stepper box looks amazing. You can decorate it any way you want. So as you can see, my stepper box has only 4 compartments. You can make 6, 10, as many as you want. So now I'll show you how to use it. Actually how I'm using it. So I'm using it to keep my jewelry in it. As you can see, in this portion I kept my necklace, in this one I kept my bracelet, in this one I kept my small jewelry, and in this one I kept my pony band. So it looks amazing. It can open up and close properly. As I also made a gift box in my previous video, I used it also as a jewelry box. If you haven't watched that video, go to my channel and watch that video. This is the jewelry box I'm talking about, guys. It looks really cool. Now go to my channel and watch the video to make it right now. Let's come back to my stepper box. It looks gorgeous, guys. Splendid. I can't believe that a small stepper box can be this much useful. You can see I kept my jewelry in it and it looks amazing, guys. If you like my videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Bye bye.